Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious eggless whole wheat banana bread. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 large ripe bananas. The more brown spots they have, the sweeter they are. And I'm just going to peel them and put them in my bowl and use a potato masher to mash them. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below. So a few years ago when I first tried whole wheat banana bread, I couldn't believe how good it tasted. I guess maybe because at that time I wasn't really eating a lot of anything with whole wheat flour and I thought it wouldn't taste good, but it was so good. If you think you don't like whole wheat flour, you have to try this bread at least one time and then you'll change your mind. I love banana bread or anything with banana in it. Now I'm going to add some melted butter to the banana and mix that together. Next, I'm going to add some brown sugar, sour cream, and some vanilla extract. And this is vanilla that I made, so if you want to see how I made it, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Mix everything together until thoroughly combined. And as you can see, this recipe doesn't have any eggs in it, and that's a good thing because after I started doing YouTube, I didn't realize how many people are allergic to eggs. Now I'm going to sift in my dry ingredients. So here I have some whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and some salt. Give that a stir until everything is mixed together, but don't overmix it. The last thing I'm going to add are some walnuts, and I'm going to reserve a little bit to sprinkle on top before I bake it. And you just want to fold them in. If you don't like nuts or you're allergic to nuts, you can skip it, but I like nuts, so I like to put a lot in there. I'm going to put this in my loaf pan that I already greased with some cooking spray. Even off the top so it looks pretty, and make sure you get every last bit of the batter in your pan. And the very last thing is to sprinkle the walnuts on top. This just makes it look so pretty when you finish baking it. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it's still not done. As you can see, I'm testing it with a toothpick and the toothpick is still wet. But at this point, I like to cover it with a piece of foil because I don't want it to get too brown, and the foil just prevents it from getting too brown. So I'm just going to cover that and put that on to bake 20 more minutes. Testing it one more time to make sure it's done, and you'll know when it's done because your toothpick will come out clean. Put this on a wire rack to cool, and I'm going to let mine cool down overnight because it was so late by the time I was finished with this. So this is the next day. I wanted to cut it so you can see what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I hope you get a chance to make it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.